Good morning and welcome you all to the first episode of Sunday Special Math Magic brought to you by Samit Ray Foundation. Samit Ray Foundation believes in equality of education, aiding meritorious students with financial difficulties. We are extremely lucky today to have with us the chairman of Adamas International School and World School, Professor Samit Ray. Without further ado, I would welcome sir. We are starting this class today.
Good morning, Namaskar. So I will take a class on the mathematics, the process which will help you to solve all the problems in a shorter time. Yes, today I will take the classes for the student from 3 to 6 or 8 level, right? So you have some doubt. Today we will make some rules which help us to solve all the problems in a shorter time. One example, that the method of multiplication, method of square, method of cubic root and others. So you will be in confusion which process you will apply, because there's the one process you are learning from the schools and another process which I will deliver to you. I think this process will help you in the later of your life when you will sit for the competitive exams after 12. So this process will help to you. So I think all the students of my schools will enjoy this process. Let's start the process, right? Number one, I will explain how we can multiply any numbers of digit in a quicker way. Step 1. Step 1, that is method of multiplications, right? Number 1 step, 23 by 22, right? So generally we follow these multiplications in different way. Yes, again I will advise you have to learn the process of which you are learning from your schools also. At the same time, this process will help you for the competitive examination after 12 exams, when you will sit for the All India Engineering competitive examinations or the medical or the NET, SLET, every exams when you will sit, this process will help you. Number 1, the method of multiplications. Yes, we know this is this is a row 1, this is the row 2. Right? And when we consider the column, that is the first column C1 and this is the second column, right? First try to understand, then you will start to exercise this process, right? First try to focus. Number 1, when we consider the first column, that is straight, right? We will multiply 3 into 2 and straight, 3 into 2, that is 6, right? When we consider the second column, my symbol will be cross. That means we will multiply diagonally, right, and then add. So we will multiply diagonally 3 into 2, that is 6, right? And then 2 into 2, that is 4. 6 plus 4, that is 10. 0. 1 in hand. When we will consider the two columns, then we will omit the first column. That means we will cancel these columns. Again we will multiply the straight. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is 506. Again we will consider another example like 62 into 31. Please try to understand, then you will take the note. I will allow you to take the notes, but first you have to know what is the process which we will follow. First we will consider the first column. My symbol will be straight, right? 2 into 1, that is 2. When we consider the second column, my symbol will be cross. That means we will multiply diagonally 3 into 2, 6, and 6 into 1, 6, that is 12. We will cross multiply the diagonally and will add. That is 3 into 2, 6, and 6 into 1, 6. That is 12. 1 in hand. Again straight. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 3, 18 plus 1, 19. That is my answer. Right? Again, we will take another examples. Right. 34 into 33. When we will start, then we will put the figure, but when we will habituate it, we will not draw any figure or any process. We will consider the first column, that is straight. 3 into 4, 12, 1 in hand. When you consider the second column, my symbol will be cross, that is multiplication diagonally, and add. 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 3, 9. 12 plus 9, 21 plus 1, right? 22. 2 in hand. Again straight. 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, that is 11. Clear? We can take another example, 34 and 32. Straight. 4 into 2, that is 8. Next cross. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 6, 12 plus 6, 18. 1 in hand. Again straight. 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, that is 10. Right? So when we will start, we will try to draw the figure straight, cross and add, and next cross. But when we will habituate it, there is no requirement of putting that figure that is straight and the cross and then the straight. Okay? So we can solve another problem. 72 into 33 straight. 3 into 2, 6. Right? Next cross, the diagonally cross. 7 into 3, 21. And 3 into 2, 6. 21 plus 6, 27. 2 in hand. Next straight. 3 into 7, 21 plus 2, right? Plus 2, 21 plus 2, that is 23. 2, 3, 7, 6. I think it is clear to all of my students. Yes, now we can take out the note. So first we will take first column, that is straight. Second we will take the second column, that will be the cross. Cross, when will be cross, that will be the add. And then again straight. Yes, this is what the problem, right? You take the notes steadily and slowly. Then we will check. Okay? We can take another example. 92 and 33. Straight. 3 into 2, 6. Next cross. Diagonally multiplication will multiply diagonally 9 into 3, that is 27. And 3 into 2, 6. 27 plus 6, 33. 3 in hand. 9 into 3, 27 plus 3, 30. 3036. That is my answer. Okay? Next, we'll go for the step 2. Yes. Same thing. When this type of multiplications problem will be in a same row. So how we will multiply these things? Yes, we can go for the rough, and again we can put the step 1 in that way. But without the rough, how we can solve this problem? That is the challenge. So what will be the process? Number one, F to F. Number one, F to F. Number 2, end to end and F to F and add. And number 3, F to F. Yes. Number 1, F to F. Number 2, end to end and F to F and add. And number 3, F to F. Right. Here, F equal to far, N equal to near. So, what will be by the first steps? Number 1, F to F, that's far to far. Number 2, N to N and F to F and add. Near to near and far to far and add. And number 3 is far to far. Right. Number 1, F to F. F to F, right? So, when we will start F to F, there should be some point which will be the first point to start, right? So, what will be the point? 34 into 21, right? The numbers in the digit place of the extreme left number will be the starting point. The number in the digit place of the extreme left numbers, which is the extreme left number, that is 34. So, if we consider the 34 numbers, what is the digit place? That is the unit place, that is 34, that is 3 into 10 plus 4. So, 4 will be the unit place, will be the first starting point. If the 4 is the first starting point, considering the 4, which number will be the far to far? That is 1, right? Number 1. Number 2, near to near, that is near to near and far to far and add. That will be the second step, right? And what will be the third step? Yes, in considering the 3, 2, 1 is the number which is the farthest corner of that numbers 21, right? But we will not consider the 1. Why? Because there is some limitation. We can use 1 numbers maximum 2 times. Already we had used this number 1 2 times, right? So, we cannot consider 1 for the further use, the third time. So, in respect to the 3, which number is the furthest one? That is 2. This is the third step, right? I think it will be clear. I will come back. 34 into 21. Number 1, F to F, right? Which will be the starting point. We consider the left hand numbers, right? And then the starting point will be the number in the unit place, right? That is a 4, right? This 4 in considering this 1 is the far to far. Number 2, end to end and F to F and add. That is near to near and far to far and add. Okay. What will be the third steps? That is far to far. With respect to 3, 1 is the farthest number, but already we have used the 1 numbers 2 times. So, this 1 number will not be considered for the third time. So, now in respect to the 3, F to F, 2 will be the considered numbers, right? So, 4 into 1, that is 4. Number 2, near to near, 4 into 2, 8, and 3 into 1, 3. 8 plus 3, that is 11. 1 in hand. Next 3 into 2, that is 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, that is 7. That is the method. Again, 34 into 21. The first step, far to far. From which number we will start? So we have considered the extreme left hand numbers, the unit place number, right? So 4 is the first point. 4 into 1, that is 4. Okay. Number 2, near to near and far to far and add. So 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 1, 3. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 in hand. Next, far to far. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, that is 7. That is 7, 1, 4. I think it is clear. Yes. We'll go back. Right. Number 1, far to far. Number 2, near to near and far to far and add. And next, far to far. We can consider another problems. Right. 52 into 31. Yes. The first step, far to far. Which point will be the starting point? We have to consider the left hand numbers and the unit place number. Unit place number will be the starting point. In respect to the 4, which number is the far to far? That is number 1. 2 into 1, that is 2. Next, near to near. 3 into 2, 6. 5 into 1, 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 in hand. This is step 1, that is the step 2. And the step 3, right. 5 into 3, 15 plus 1, 16. This is the step 2. Step 3. Okay. So I think, again I will go back to the step 1. First you try to understand slowly and take the note steadily. Right. Then we will practice how we can do or solve the problem in the quicker times. Right. This is the second stage of the exercise. 34 into 22. Right. We'll consider the first steps straight. 4 into 2, 8. Okay. When we consider the second steps, second column, the operation will be cross. That is, we will multiply diagonally. 4 into 2, 8. And 3 into 2, 6. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 in hand. Again straight. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Clear? We can consider another number. 44 into 33. Straight. 3 into 4, 12. 1 in hand. Next, multiply diagonally. 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 12, 24. 2 in hand. Again, straight. 3 into 4, 12 plus 2, 14. 1, 4, 4, 2. Okay. So again, we'll go for that step 2. Just we have to practice. 62 into 31. Number 1, what will be my starting point? 2 will be the starting point. First step, far to far. Right. Step 1. 2 into 1, 2. Next, near to near and far to far. 3 into 2, 6. And 6 into 1, 6. 12. 1 in hand. Next, 6 into 3. 18 plus 1, that is 19. Clear? Right. Now we'll go for the step 3. Yes. We'll go one by one. First we will multiply the 2 digit by the 2 digit, then the 3 digit, then the 4 digit. Even we can multiply the 13 digit into 13 digit. But for your requirement and for your examinations, I think 4 digit is the 4 digit should be fulfill your purpose, right? So next step 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Right. First we will consider the first column. My symbol will be straight as the first steps. When we consider the second column, my symbol will be cross. That is, we will multiply diagonally this and this, this and this. and the plus, right? So when we consider the second column, my symbol will be cross and straight. Cross, the diagonal multiplication, this number and this number, and this number and this number, diagonally, and then straight. After taking the three columns, we will omit the first column, right? Right. Then there's only two columns. My symbol will be cross. When the cross, that will be that will add. When we omit the second columns, again my symbol will be straight. It is very logical. Close your eyes and try to visualize the three numbers. Close your eyes. Step 1, that is straight. When we consider the two columns, that is cross, that is add. When we consider the three columns, that is cross and add. Clear? And the straight and add. When we consider the three columns, we will omit the first columns. Again it will be cross, right. We have to omit the second column, only straight. Yes. 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. We'll solve this problem slowly. Straight. Yes. 2 into 1, 2. Clear? When you consider the second column, it will be cross and add. Right? Cross and add. That is 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 1 will add 2 plus 1, that is 3. Clear? When you consider the third column, it will be cross and straight. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 1, 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Again straight. 1 into 1, 8 plus 1, that is 9. Clear? After considering the three columns, we will omit the first column, then cross, right? 2 into 1, 2, and 3 into 1, 3, that is 5. Again we will omit the second column, then straight, 3 into 2, 6. This is the number 65932. Yes, we can solve again. Try to understand. Straight. 2 into 1, 2. Yes. When we consider the second column, it will be cross, and that is add. Cross. 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 1, 1. That is 3. Clear? When we consider the three columns, my symbol will be cross and straight. That is 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 1, 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Again straight. 1 into 1. That is 9. Clear? After considering the three columns, we will omit the first columns. Then again cross. 3 into 1. 3 into 1, 3. 2 into 1, 2. That is 5. And then we'll consider the last column as a straight. 3 into 2, 6. Answer 65932. Yes. 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2. Try to visualize the figure. When we consider the first column, it will be straight. When we consider the second column, it will be cross and add. Yes. When we consider the three columns, it will be cross and straight. Clear? After considering the three columns, we will omit the first columns. So only we consider the second columns, that figure will be cross and then add. After considering the two columns, we will again omit the second columns, then only they are straight, right? So again, I'll go for the pictures. When we consider the one column, that is straight, okay? 2 into 1, 2. When we consider the second column, that will be cross and add, that is 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 1, 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Clear? When we consider the 3 columns, my picture will be cross and straight. We will multiply the numbers of extreme corners, right? 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 1, 3, 7, and then straight, 7 plus 6, 13, right? 1 in hand. Next we will omit the first columns, again cross, that is 3 into 3, 9, and 2 into 2, 4, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14, 1 in hand. Next straight, 3 into 6, 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, that is 7. Answer 7, 4, 3, 8, 2. Yes. Step 1. Solve this problem. 34 and 33. Try to solve this problem, then I will solve the problem. First column straight, 3 into 4, 12, 2 in hand, 2, 1 in hand. Next cross, 3 into 4, 12, and 3 into 3, 9. 12 plus 9, 21, 1 in hand, 22, 2 in hand, again straight, 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. Yes, we'll consider the first column, that is straight. 3 into 4, 12, 1 in hand. Next cross, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 3, 9. 12 plus 9, 21, plus 1, 22. 2 in hand. Next straight, 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11. That's my answer. Okay. 93, 24. Straight. 3 into 4, 12, 1 in hand. 9 into 4, 36. 3 into 2, 6. 36 plus 6, 42 plus 1, 43. 4 in hand. 9 into 2, 18 plus 4, 22. That is the matter of 4 to 5 seconds. So yes, we have to take care about the speed of the calculations and to solve, but it will happen in the later part. Now we will focus only the process and the methods, right? So first numbers is straight, next cross, and next straight. Next we will go for the step 2. 32 into 41. Try to remember step 1, far to far. Number 2, near to near and far to far, and add, and next far to far. So yes, step 1, far to far. From which point we will start? We will consider the left hand numbers. The unit place of the left hand numbers will be the starting point. The left hand number is 32, and which numbers is the unit place? That is 2. So 2 will be the starting point. From 2, which number is a far to far? That is 1. Clear? 2 into 1, 2. And the second step was near to near and F to F, that's far to far, and add. So near to near, 4 into 2, 8, and 3 into 1, 3. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 in hand. And the third part is to far with respect to 3. 1 is the far to far, but already we have used 1 2 times, right? We cannot use the 1 numbers more than 2 times. So we have to take care. 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 2, 8 plus 3, 11, 1 is a hand, and 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, that is 13. 1, 3, 1, 2, the answer. Now the step 3. Three, 2, 4, 2, 1. Yes, straight. 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2. Straight. Next cross. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 1, 2. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Clear? When we consider the third columns, my symbol will be cross and straight. 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 1, 3. 8 plus 3, 11. Again straight. 2 into 2, 4. 11 plus 4, that is 15. 1 in hand. After considering the 3 columns, we will omit the first columns. Next, 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 in hand. Next, 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, that is 13. Answer 1, 3, 5, 5, 6, 2. Okay. So for the first day, I will solve. Already we have solved the 3 steps. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. Right. Before start of the second chapters, the method of the square, I think I will take some break, and the Ovirupa, you can say something about the maths to my students.
In fact, how many of you are those math wizards who can solve any sum that come your way? Or how many of you are just like me who stumble all the way? Well, I was stumbling so far, but today after seeing this class, I have learned 3 steps, and I could actually solve the sums while he was teaching us. I'm sure you loved it, what you have just learned. So keep practicing, because maths is something which we need to learn and practice. The more we practice, the more we learn it. So it's easy, don't worry. And there's something, a very important thing I would like to let you know is that we are soon going to have our Chetana TV of our own, where we can spread the information, spread the education to each and everybody in West Bengal. So soon we'll have this Chetana TV where we can interact with you, teach you more often. So keep learning, let the magical things keep going on. Sir?
Yes. Now I will start the second chapters. Second chapter, that means the square. There's a method of square. Method of square. Another interesting chapters. So where we will apply these methods, we know 3 square, that is 9, 4 square, that is 16, 5 square, that is 25, 6 square, that is 36, 9 square, 81, 10 square, 100, but 112 whole square. So we are not in a position to solve 112 square within a short time. So this method will help you to solve this problem within again 3 to 4 seconds, right? So we will start the step 1 of method of square. Most of the students will know this formula: a square plus 2b plus b square. But for the class 3 or 4, maybe the formula unknown to you, but just now try to remember this formula, right? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just I will bring some changes of the symbol, that is plus. Just I will put one dot. That means multiplication. That means multiplications. Right? So in our cases, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab the b square. Now I will consider as the b square dot 2ab dot a square. Right? Yes. Now 32 whole square. Try to remember, try to draw the similarity between this portion and this portion. Right? We can put one dot here like this. Right? Now this number is like a dot b. Clear? This is a, this is b. Okay. So now we will start from the back side of the maths. First number, that is b square. That is, what will be the square of that 2? That is 4. Right? Next, 2 into a into b. That means 2 into 3 into 2, because a is here 3 and b is here 2. That 2 into 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 6, that the double, that is 12. 1 in hand. Next, again a square, that 3 square, that is 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, that is 10. That is the answer. Right? Yes. Again, we can take the another numbers. Here 4 is the A and 1 is the B. Right? Just we are imagining. Now again we can start from the B square. 1 square, that is 1. Right? 2 into A into B, that is 4 into 1, that is 4, the double 8. Next, A square, 4 square, that is 16. This is the answer. 1681. Yes. 34 whole square. This is A, this is B. A dot B whole square equal to A square 2AB and B square. We will start from the back side of the formula. That is B square. The 4 square, that be 16. 1 in hand. 2 into A into B. 3 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. Double 24. Plus 1, 25. 2 in hand. A square. 3 whole square. 9 plus 2, that is 11. That is answer. Right? Just when you will take the notes, you have to put here not equal to. Because for our calculation, we are considering this formula in this form, but we cannot write A dot V equal to A square dot 2AB dot B square. Only for our application, we are using this formula, as we are very much familiar with this form of the formula. That is the only reasons I am trying to use this formula. Okay, so you can take the note. Yes, A dot V whole square, that is A square dot 2AB B square. Okay, 92 whole square. This is your A, this is your B. B square. 2 square, that is 4. 2 into A into V. 9 into 2, 18. The double of that 18, 36. 3 in hand. A square. 9 square, 81 plus 3, that is 84. This is answer. We can solve the square of any numbers from 11 to 99 with the help of step 1. Please take your note. With the help of step 1, we can solve the problem, or we can square any numbers from 11 to 99. Okay? So, 23 whole square is A, that is B. That is B square, 9. 2 into A into B, that is 3 into 2, 6. Double 12. 1 in hand. 2 square is 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 to 9. Okay. So with the help of the step 1, we can solve the problem. We can square any numbers from 11 to 99. Let's be back. Step 1 of multiplications. Every time I am trying to come back from any steps to the initial steps. What is the reason? Because we have to practice more and more, right? And that is one of the reasons I'm always trying to come back the step 1, step 2, and step 3. Step 1, multiplications. Try to remember. Yes. When you consider the first column, it will be straight. 3 into 2, 6. When we consider the second column, the symbol will be cross. That is 3 into 3, 9. And 3 into 2, 6. 9 plus 6, 15. 1 in hand. Next straight. 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, that is 10. Right? When you consider the first steps, the symbol will be straight. When you consider the second columns, that is will be the cross, and every time cross, that is add. And then after taking the 2 columns, we will omit the first columns. Again, the figure will be straight. Yes. Step 2, method of multiplications. 3, 4, 51. Step 1, try to remember F to F, that means 4 to 4. Number 2, N to N, and F to F, and add. Number 3, F to F. Step 1, 4 to 4. What will be the starting point? In case of the 4 to 4, we have to consider the left hand numbers, and the unit place numbers will be the starting point. Here the 4 is the unit place number. So from 4 to 4, number 1. Number 2, near to near and 4 to 4. Right? 4 into 1, that is 4. Near to near, 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 5, 20. And 3 into 1, 3. 20 plus 3, 23. 2 in hand. Next 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, right? 15 plus 2, 17. This is the answer. Step 3. Step 3. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. You try to solve this problem, then again I will solve. First step, that is straight. 2 into 2, 4. Clear? Second step, cross. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 1, 2. 4 plus 2, that is 6. When we consider second column, cross and straight. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 2, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. Again straight. 2 into 1, 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 1 in hand. Right? After considering the three columns, we will omit the first columns. When there's a two columns, my symbol will be cross. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 1 in hand. Next straight. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Answer 7, 8, 2, 6, 4. Method of square step 1. Method of square step 1. 62 whole square. That is A, that is B. This formula is square dot 2ab dot b square. We have to start from the back side of the formula. That is b square. This 2 whole square, that is 4. 2 into a into b, that is 6 into 2, 12, 24. 2 in hand. Next 2, a square, 36 plus 2, 38. This is the answer. So with the help of step 1, we can solve from 11 to 99 any number. Next we'll go for the second steps. Step 2 of the method of square. Actually, we have to learn the 12 steps for the squares. When we'll learn the 12 steps, any numbers, we can solve the square of any numbers. Step 2. When the numbers will be more than 2 digits, 104 whole square. We cannot solve with the help of a dot b whole square formula, right? As here is the 3 numbers, 3 digits. In this case, we will consider one base, that is 100. We will try to consider how much more this number than 100. How much more? That is 4. Right? We will make the square of that 4 first. The square of 4 is the 16. We will put the result of that square here. That is 16. Right? Yes. Next, what is the original number? 104. What is the original number? 104. What is the extra or excess? Then 400. Then 100. That is 4. We will add this number with the original number. That is 108. So my answer will be 10816. Try to understand. 105 whole square. Right? My base is 100. How much more? 5 is more. Right? We'll make the square of 5. That is 25. We'll put that number result the 2-digit numbers. It should be the 2-digit number every time. Right? So 25. What is the original number? 105. What is the extra? Then 100. Then 100. That is 5. We will add this 5 with the original number. Right? So 105 plus 5, 11025. This is the answer. 106 whole square. Your base number is 100. How much more? This number, then 100, that is 6. So you make the square of 6, that is 36. And the original number, 106 plus 6, 112. That is the answer. Right? 103 whole square. Consider 100. How much more? That is 3. 3 square, that is 909. Every time there should be the two place for the putting of that square. If the result of that extra numbers, maybe the 2-digit numbers, maybe the 1-digit numbers. If there's a 2-digit numbers, right, like 104, that is 4, 16, there is no question of putting 0. But if there's the result of that number is a single digit number, so we have to put 10 here. That is a 09. Clear? And what is the original number? 103. And how much more? That is 3. That is 106. That is the answer. Okay? Right. So how we can write this number? 16, 104 plus 4, 108. So this is the extra whole square. Extra whole square. How much more than 100? That is 4. 4 whole square. That is 16. Clear? And this part will be original number plus extra. Plus extra. Right? Original number 104 plus 4. 108. Okay? One 2 whole square. So how much more than 100? That is 12. 12 whole square, 144. 144, right? 12 whole square, 144. So only we can put the 44 as there is a specific 2 place for the square. The original number 112 plus extra 12, 124. And there's a 1 numbers in hand, that is 1. So we have to add this 1 to 124. So 124 plus 1, 125. This is the answer. So what will be the final form of the formula? Extra whole square. That's good. And this part will be original number plus extra plus in hand. Yes, plus in hand. In case of 104 whole square, 16, 104 plus 4, 108, as there is no extra in hand, 16, there is no question of in hand. When it be the one in hand, it should be added. Yes, we can consider 113 whole square. My base is 100. How much more? 13. 13 whole square, 169. That is 69. 1 in hand. How much more? 13. 113 plus 13. 126 plus 1, 127. 12769. This is my answer. Right? So we have to remember this part of that maths. We know 11 into 11, 1 to 1. 12 into 12, 144. 13 into 13, 169. Take the note. We have to remember these numbers. 14 into 14, 196. 15 into 15, 225. 16 into 16, 256. Right? 17 into 17, 18 into 18, 324. 19 into 19, 361. 20 into 20, 400. 21 into 21, 441. 22 into 22, 484. And 23 into 23, 529. And 24 into 24, 576. 25 into 25, 625. Take this note. 17 into 17, 289. 18 into 18, 324. 19 into 19, 361. 20 into 20, 400. 21 into 21, 441. 22 into 22, 484. 23 into 23, 529. 24 into 24, 576. And 25 into 25, 625. As we are using the digital board, the shape of the number is not sharp. The image of the numbers is not sharp. But I think it is completely readable. I think we will take the break of 5 minutes, and then I will come back and we'll start again to solve the problem, just to try to understand. During that period, it will help you while you are facing the problems. Again, I will repeat all the steps of the 2 days of the 5 steps, and I think within 7 days or 8 days, you will feel the improvements. Thank you.
We are back from this break, but the magical journey continues. So we'll take the platform back to Sir.
Yes, I think the steps 5 is clear to all. So again, I will repeat all the steps, and then I will give some problems for for using the applications of that 5 steps, which will help you to learn the process. Step 1. The method of multiplications. Step 1. (34) and 92. Step straight. 4 into 2, 8. Next cross, that means add. 9 into 4, 36. And 3 into 2, 6. 36 plus 6, 42. 4 in hand. 9 into 3, 27 plus 4, 31. 3, 1, 2, 8. Just it is a clear 34 and 92. There is a first row and the second row. This is the first column and that is the second column. So first we will consider the first column. My symbol will be straight, and when you consider the second column, my symbol will be cross and add, and after considering the 2 columns, my figure will be straight. Right? Now try to picturize this process. 92, 33. This is the first row and this is the second row. First we will consider the first column. This is the second column. We will consider the first column, that will be straight. My symbol will be straight. 3 into 2, 6. Clear? When you consider the second column, the figure will be cross. The diagonally multiplications. Diagonally. 9 into 3, 27. And 6, 33. 3 in hand. Next straight. 9 into 3, 27 plus 3, 30. 3036. Step 2. It will be better. You try to solve the problem. 93 and 44. 82 and 41. Try to solve this problem. You take some time. Straight. 3 into 4, 12, 1 in hand. 9 into 4, 36 plus 12. 36 plus 12, 38. 48 plus 1, 49. 4 in hand. 9 into 4, 36 plus 4, 40. 4092. Next one, 2 into 1, 2. Cross. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 in hand. 8 into 4, 32 plus 1, 33. I think it is clear to all. Method of multiplication is step 2. What is the following step? F to F. Number 2, N to N and F to F and add. Number 3, F to F. F equal to far, N equal to near. Right? 52 and 43. Far to far, point of starting, that is 6, step 1. Far to far. Number 2, near to near, 8 plus 15, 33. 3 in hand. 20 plus 3, 20. 23. 20 plus 3, 23. 36. This is step 2 and that is step 3. Actually, the action of the eye and the calculation is so fast rather than the writing. So that is 5 into 4, 20 plus 3, 23. Right? Now step 3. Try to solve this problem. We have to consider the first column straight. 2 into 1, 2. When you consider the second column, will be cross. That means add. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4. When you consider this third column, that is 4, 3, 7. 2 into 1, 2. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 in hand. Next cross. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Next straight and 6. 6, 8, 9, 4, 2. Method of square, step 1. (43) whole square is A, that is B. A dot B whole square that is B square, that is 9. 2 into B, 4 into 12 is double, 24. 2 in hand. A square, 16 plus 2, 18. Application range 11 to 99. Okay? And then step 2. Step 2. (105) whole square. 100 is the base. How much more? 5. The square of 5, 25. And the original number 105, how much more? That is 5, 1, 110. 1, 110, 25. This is the answer. 106 whole square. How much more? That is 6, 36. 106 plus 6, 112. 112. 121 whole square. How much more? 21. 21 whole square. 441. That is 41. 4 in hand. 121 plus 21, 142 plus 4, 146. 14641. Already I have mentioned that we have to remember 12 into 12 to 25 into 25. Right? Yes. Next I will go for the step 3. The square. Step 3. 96 whole square. We can solve this problem with the help of the step 1, that is AB method, right? How much it is possible? That is A, that is B. B square. That is 6 whole square, 36. 6, 3 in hand. 2 into A into B. 9 into 6, 54. Double 108 plus 3, 1, 1, 1. 1 in hand. 11 in hand. A square, 81 plus 11, 92. Right? But we can help the step 3 and in the easier way. How it's possible? Again, we will consider the 100. How much less this number? That is 4. We'll make the square of that 4. That is 16. We'll put again here 16. Now how much less this number? 4. We will less from the original number. Original number is 96 and less 4, that is 92. That is 92. Same answer. Right? (98) whole square. How much less? That is 100. How much less? 2. 2 whole square. That is 04. That the 2 place 04. And how much less? 98 minus 2, that is 96. My answer is 9604. (99 whole square. How much less? 1. Square of 1, 01. Original number minus 1. 9801. (94 whole square. How much less? 6. 6 whole square, 36. Original number minus 6, that is 88. Answer 88. So this number is reduction whole square, reduct whole square. And this number, original number minus reduction, original number minus reduction. That is step 3. We can solve the numbers with the square with the help of that step 3. 75 to 100. 75 to 100. So we'll try to understand between the step 2 and the step 3. Step 3. Step 2. 104 whole square. 100, how much more? 16. Original number plus 4, 108. The formula is extra whole square, and this original number plus extra plus in hand, right? In case of step 3, 96 whole square, how much less? The 100 minus 4. 4 whole square 16, and 96 minus 4, that is 92. That means reduction whole square, less whole square. This part and this part the same. Yeah, in case of the step 2, that is extra whole square. In case of the step 3, that is reduction whole square. Right? In case of step 2, original number plus extra. In case of step 3, original number minus reduction plus in hand. The same. This part and this part is the similar. In case of extra, original number plus extra whole square. In case of the reduction, less, reduction whole square, and original number minus reduction. That is the comparative study of the step 2 and step 3. I think it will be clear to all the students. And the range of the step 3 is 75 to 99. Yes. Step 3. 88 whole square. 100. How much less? That is 12. 12 whole square 144. That is 44. 1 in hand. Original number 88 minus 12 76 plus 1 77. That is original number minus reduction plus in hand. In hand is the same. Okay. So, but the next day I will go for the next steps, because we have to learn at least 8 steps for the multiplication and 12 steps for the square. Then we will be able to solve all the multiplications and any number of square. Yes. Take the home tasks for the step 1 multiplications. $67 and 62. 83, 42. 64, 33. 72, 33. 96, 33. For the step 3, step 1. And the step 2, $77 into 32, 88 into 22, 94 into 32, the step 2, and for the step 3, $342, 1 1. 5 2 3 6 1 2. Problem number 2. Problem number 1. Problem number 3. 4 2 1 3 1 2. Problem number 4. 6 2 1 3 2 3. And problem number 5. 2 3 2 4 3 1. Next method of square. 63 whole square, 83 whole square, 99 whole square, 97 whole square, 107 whole square, 94 whole square, 114 whole square, 117 whole square, 123 whole square, and number 10, 125 whole square. All the homework you have to solve, and next day we'll come back with the solution and the new steps. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure having you with us. So whatever question you have in mind, any doubts you have in mind, and the answers that you have just going to solve, sir will be with us in the next class, which is on Sunday, 12th of July. Till then, keep practicing. The same time, same place, we will be meeting you. Anybody who wants to register themselves, please call us and keep practicing.